In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp Web. Now, if you're a fan of using WhatsApp on your computer, you might have noticed that the default bright theme can be a little harsh on the eyes, especially during those late night conversations. Fortunately, WhatsApp Web now offers a dark mode option, which not only helps reduce eye strain, but also gives your chat interface a sleek and stylish look. To get started, first, make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by opening a browser and typing in web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Follow the instructions if you need to sync it with your phone by scanning the QR code. Once you're in, look at the left side of your screen and you'll see a panel with your profile picture right at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a new menu with several options that you can customize for your WhatsApp web experience. Next, among the options available, look for one labeled Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This setting allows you to configure various chat options, and today we're focusing on changing the appearance by switching to a dark theme. When you open the chat settings, you'll find an option called Theme. Click on Theme, and you'll be presented with at least two choices, light and dark. The light option is your current setting, which might be the source of that glare we've been talking about. To rectify this, simply click on Dark. This will immediately switch your entire WhatsApp web interface from the bright light theme to a chic dark one, offering a completely different and more comfortable visual experience. And there you have it. You're now equipped to chat icon with a soothing dark backdrop, perfect for those cozy environments or just when you want to give your eyes a rest from bright screens. Remember, you can always switch back to the light theme if you ever want to change by following the same steps. The flexibility to go back and forth is one of the great features of WhatsApp Web. For an optimal experience, make sure your browser's zoom is set to 100%, as incorrect zoom settings might alter the layout and your ability to see all the options mentioned. Also, keep in mind that the dark mode feature enhances battery performance slightly if you're on a laptop and offers a level of protection against blue light exposure. I hope this instructional video has been helpful in guiding you through the simple process of enabling dark mode on WhatsApp Web. You can now enjoy a more visually comfortable environment for all your chats. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more how-to guides and tech tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new WhatsApp Web dark mode experience.